our story of change with you. Railway Mixed High School, English Medium, Pottanur, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Story: Serving Events Nectar. Feel: existing water tank in school is old. Water wastage is also another problem. So students have to bring water to school. Possibility of waterborne disease is there. Imagine approaching the old students association to help to buy a water purifier, to provide purified water in cans in each class, to reduce the burden of children carrying water bottles. We contacted the old students. They offered water purifier, installed it in a room, bought bubble top water container for each class. The water carriers fills the cans and keep in all the classes.